Hello everyone, I am Khushbu Ahuja, intern from the Department of Public Health Dentistry, Chhattisgarh Dental College and Research Institute. I am here to demonstrate indices used for assessing oral hygiene status, that is Simplified Oral Hygiene Index OHIS, under the guidance of Dr. Suraj Multani sir and Dr. Anirudh Khedulkar sir. John C. Green and Jack R. Vermillion introduced Oral Hygiene Index in 1960 to evaluate individuals' oral cleanliness. In this index, the labial, buccal and lingual or palatal surface of all the teeth present in the oral cavity are taken into consideration and examined, as this was the time consuming and shows inter and intra-examiner variability. An effort was made to develop another equally sensitive index by the same authors. This index was named as Simplified Oral Hygiene Index OHIS in the year 1964. Instruments used to record this index are a mouth mirror and an explorer. Now, the surfaces and teeth to be examined are as follows: buccal surface of upper right first molar, labial surface of upper right central incisor, buccal surface of upper left first molar, lingual surface of lower left first molar, labial surface of lower left central incisor, and lingual surface of lower right first molar. Substitutions for the tooth 1/6, tooth 1/7 is taken. If 1/7 is missing, then 1/8 is considered. For the tooth 1/1, 2/1 is taken. For tooth 2/6, 2/7 is taken. If 2/7 is missing, 2/8 is considered. For tooth 3/6, 3/7 is taken. If 3/7 is missing, 3/8 is considered. For tooth 3/1, 4/1 is taken. For tooth 4/6, 4/7 is taken. And if 4/7 is missing, 4/8 is considered. Rules: only fully erupted permanent teeth are scored. Occlusal and incisal surface have reached the occlusal plane. At least 2 of 6 possible tooth surfaces must have been examined. Third molars are included only if they are functional. Natural teeth with full crown restorations and surface reduced in height by caries or trauma are not scored. Examination methods and scoring. The OHIS has two components: Simplified Debris Index and Simplified Calculus Index. Scoring criteria for Debris Index simplified. Score 0 is given when there is no debris or stains present. Score 1 is given when soft debris covering not more than 1/3 of the exposed tooth surface or presence of extrinsic stains without other debris regardless of surface area covered. Score 2 is given when soft debris covering more than 1/3 but not more than 2/3 of the exposed tooth surface. And score 3 is given when soft debris covering more than 2/3 of the exposed tooth surface. First, we are going to divide the tooth in 3 halves: cervical 1/3, middle 1/3 and occlusal 1/3. Now, we'll run the explorer from distal to mesial surface for each half. In this case, after running into cervical 1/3 surface, score comes 1 as there is soft debris covering not more than 1/3 of the exposed tooth surface or presence of extrinsic stains without other debris regardless of surface area being covered. Running into middle 1/3, scoring is 0, and in occlusal 1/3, scoring comes 0. Calculus Index simplified. There are two main types of dental calculus which are differentiated primarily by the location on the tooth in relation to pregingival margin. First is supragingival calculus and the other one is subgingival calculus. Scoring criteria for Calculus Index simplified. Score 0 is given when there is no calculus present. Score 1 is given when supragingival calculus covering not more than 1/3 of the exposed tooth surface. Score 2 is given when supragingival calculus covering more than one third but not more than two-thirds of the exposed tooth surface or presence of individual flakes of subgingival calculus around the cervical portion of the tooth or both. Score 3 is given when there is supragingival calculus covering more than two-thirds of the exposed tooth surface or a continuous heavy band of subgingival calculus around the cervical portion of the tooth or both. Similarly, for scoring criteria for calculus index simplified, we'll run the explorer in the three surfaces of the tooth, that is cervical 1/3, middle 1/3 and occlusal 1/3. In this case, score comes 2 as supragingival calculus covering more than one-third but not more than two-thirds of the exposed tooth surface or presence of individual flakes of subgingival calculus around the cervical portion of the tooth or both are present. Now, recording format for OHIS. Debris index simplified. For 4-6, it is 1, and for the rest of the tooth, it is as shown. Now, the score comes as 0.6, which indicates it is a good status. For calculus index simplified, for 4-6, score is 2, and for the rest index tooth, it is as shown. Score comes 2, which indicates poor status. Now, total score for OHIS is equals to debris index simplified score plus calculus index simplified score, which comes 0.6 plus 2 is equals to 2.6. Status is fair. Interpretation. For debris index simplified and calculus index simplified, good is given when 0 to 0.6 are the scores. Fair is given when 0.7 to 1.8 are the scores. Poor is given when 1.9 to 3 are the scores. For OHIS score, good is given when 0 to 1.2 are the scores. Fair is given when 1.3 to 3 are the scores. And poor is given when 3.1 to 6 are the scores. Now, the uses of OHIS index are: it has been widely used in the study of epidemiology of periodontal diseases. It is useful in evaluation of dental health education program in public school systems. It is useful in evaluating the cleaning efficiency of toothbrush. It is used to evaluate the individual level of oral cleanliness. Like, share and subscribe to our channel PhD CDCRI.